This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session once again, part payment. But as I told you, like it is two different kind of part payments are there, like partial and residual. So here in previous session, what I have covered, like partial payment, how the partial payment is going to be made. Now this time, the same part payment is going to be made in the form of residual payments. So we'll explain like what is this, like how we are going to make this, how we are going to post the payment in the form of residual payment or residual item, and then I'll explain the differences, like what is the difference between partial payment and residual payment in a simplest way. I'll give a very simple example so that you guys will be having perfect understanding, and the same you guys will be able to explain during interview. So let me explain this. That first of all, I'll show you partial payment, residual payment, and then I'll show you what is the difference. So guys, for that, what you have to do, let me go to FB, or I'll just do one thing. FBL5N. So here, let me check whether I'm having any open item or not. So one open item is there, but this is like, no, guys, this is already, I think I have made some experiments here. So that is why it's showing like this. If I make it like, let me do one thing, guys, all item, and let me check it. So we'll do one thing, guys. I'll clear this because I have performed some testing. So go to F-28 and I'll clear this item. Okay, and post it, save it. So it's gone. Now if you go to here, FBL5N, and here if you execute, then nothing is there. Now we'll do what we are going to do. So first of all, we should have invoice, then only the payment is going to be posted. So now FB70 will post an invoice worth of any amount, guys. So here let's suppose 5,000 and give here sales revenue GL account, and here again 5,000. Now just save it. Okay, so invoice got posted. Right now we have to, let's suppose, so here also we are going to receive the part payment itself, and as I told you, like part payment means it is, we are having two options. Either you can post in the form of partial payments and residual payment. Residual payment is also called residual item. So what is the difference, guys? The difference, I'll let you know. Generally, a residual payment means, look at here, I have quoted this example during partial payment, right? So in partial payment, what is happening, guys? In partial payment, whenever we are going to make the payment, system is going to, payment amount is also going to be, I'll just do one thing, guys. Here, I'll do one thing. I'll select this line and I'll delete it. Okay. So now here, generally what is happening, let's suppose just we have made a payment worth of 7,000. Sorry, not, we have received a payment worth of 7,000. 10,000 worth of invoice was posted, and you forget about this, whatever I have explained here. Now, in the simplest way, so 10,000 worth of invoice we have posted, and out of which 7,000 payment we have received as a part payment, and this is posted in the form of partial payment here in the system. So this 10,000 worth of invoice will be there and as an open item, and this 7,000 is also going to be updated as a partial payment, as a part payment, and this is also going to be updated as an open item itself. Even though it's a payment, but both invoice and payment both are going to be there in the system as an open item itself. Now here the difference. Okay, you just bring it here. So this is I'm talking about partial payment, right? Partial payment. Now we'll talk about residual payment. Residual payment. So now in partial payment, as I told you, like invoice is also going to be invoice. Anyway, invoices, whichever invoices are going to be posted, that is going to be your open item itself. And payment, whichever we have posted, that is also going to be there as an open item itself. It will be there now, and it is going to be clear until unless we are going to post the final, whatever remaining 3000 is there, that is going to be posted, then only the entire both line items are going to be cleared, right? Here it is clear. Now what about receivable payment, guys? So sometime what happens, let's suppose your client says that out of this, like let's suppose invoice worth is 10,000 and 7,000 already we have received the payment. So why there is two open item? There should be only single open item, and that too also worth of 3,000 only. This also can be the logic given by users. So SAP has given both options. SAP has given both options. Either you can post in the form of partial payment, or else you can post in the form of residual payment also. This is how it is going to happen, guys. So in residual payment, what is happening? In residual payment, here, now I'm having an invoice worth of, so look at here, I'll just give the same thing here. So in residual payment, here, okay, so this is the invoice worth of 5,000, right? And now I'm going to make a payment worth of 2,000 here, right? So now here what is happening, guys? Once you make payment worth of 2,000, then what is the remaining amount, guys? 3,000. So this will not be, payment is not going to be anyway. So here what is happening? Open item is there worth of 5,000. Now we have made a payment worth of 2,000. So what is the remaining, guys? Remaining amount 3,000. So system is going to create a new line item worth of 3,000. It means only one line item will be there, guys. In residual item, there is no what to say, other line item of payment line item will not be there. Only single line item will be there. I'll show you first here practically, and then again I'll explain what to say theoretically here. So now if you have a look, we have already posted invoice worth of 5,000. Now this time I'm going to make residual payment. That's 28. So here 2,000 and give your customer number and press enter. So this time click here residual payment, right? Or residual item. So 2,000 means here residual item means here what you have to give, guys. So in case of partial payment, we are giving the amount. Amount means like if we received only 2,000, so 2,000 itself is going to be given. But here in residual item means like if we have received the payment worth of 2,000, then after deduction of 2,000, how much is the remaining amount, guys? So remaining amount is 3,000. This is what you have to give. Here you are going to give the remaining amount. After deduction of 2,000, how much is the remaining amount? 3,000, right? So that you have to give and press enter. So look at here, now it got updated. And if you have a look here, click on simulate to see the accounting entry. So look at here, guys, how the accounting entry is going to. So here your bank account means how much we have received. We have received worth of amount we have received worth of 2,000. So of course your bank account is going to be debited with 2,000 only. Now the question is, why two line items? Bit confusing, right? Why two line items? 3,000 is debit and 5,000 is credit. So I'll tell you guys generally what is the reality here. See, come on this Excel sheet, I'll show you. So here, yeah, here earlier 5,000 debit amount is there, right? 5,000 debit amount is there. Plus means debit, right? So as I told you, receivable item means if I'm going to receive a payment, this document number I'm going to delete. If I'm going to receive the payment worth of 2,000, right? So what will happen, guys? Okay. So if I'm going to receive payment worth of 2,000, then what is happening? 2,000 is going to be, if 2,000 you are going to minus, then here open item supposed to be worth of 3,000 only, right? So this 3,000 is going to be updated. This 3,000 is going to be updated. Why? Because we have in the residual item, what amount we have given guys? We have given 3,000. It means we are saying system that instead of 5,000, since 2,000 payment we have already received, so how much is the remaining item? Remaining amount is 3,000 only. So you create a new line item worth of 3,000 instead of 5,000, because from 5,000, 2,000 I have already received the payment, so only 3,000 is remaining. So here what we are instructing system, what we are instructing to the SAP, that instead of 5,000, now the new line item whichever is supposed to be here, it should be only worth of 3,000, because 2,000 we have received the payment. So guys, now this 3,000, a new line item is going to be created. But what about the line item which is already up here, which is already available here, worth of 5,000? So this is supposed to be cleared. This is supposed to be replaced by 3,000, right? So how the replacement is going to happen, guys? So the replacement is going to happen here. The customer is going to be debited. Your customer is going to be debited with 3,000, and the same customer is going to be credited worth of 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 customer is going to be credited worth of 5,000. Now, so this 5,000 debit and credit, existing debit is there 5,000, and credit means here. If you talk about this accounting entry, guys, have a look here, not here, come here. So this 5,000 credit, this 5,000 credit is going to clear which line item, guys? This 5,000 credit is going to clear this one. Okay, I'll make it quite simple. Wait. So the screen, I'll make it smaller, guys. So here, if I make it like this, then look at here, right? So now we are having an open item worth of, so here, let me drag it like that. So look at here, we are having open item worth of 5,000. So, and here what is happening, guys? We have received payment worth of 2,000, right? So this 2,000 is going to be debited to your bank account, right? And the customer is also going to be debited with 3,000 rupees. So this 3,000 debit is going to be updated here, and this 5,000 is going to be cleared. How it is going to be cleared? So look at here, the same customer is going to be credited with 5,000. So this 5,000 credit and 5,000 debit is going to be clear. It may be bit confusing, guys, but you watch this video twice and thrice, you'll be able to understand. If you are a beginner, if you are a fresher, because I know that everybody are not having the same IQ level, but still I'm explaining in a simplest, what is this one, so that you guys will be having. So how it is going to be clear, guys? This 500, whatever this 500 is, sorry, whatever this 5,000 is there, right? I'll just do one thing. I'll make it like this. Okay, now here, then I think it should be easy. Yeah, right now it's going to be easy. So now here, I'll just bring it this side, and then I'll make like this. Okay, so now look at here, guys. So now this 5,000 debit is going to be clear with this 5,000 credit, right? And instead of this 5,000 debit, what is happening, guys? New line item worth of 3,000 debit is going to be updated. Why 3,000, guys? Because 2,000 payment we have received. We have received a payment worth of 2,000 rupees. So when 2,000 is going to be deducted from this 5,000, then how much remaining, guys? 3,000. So 3,000 worth of line item is going to be updated. So this is going to be updated here, and this 5,000 is going to be debit, is going to be cleared with this 5,000 credit, that is going to be clear, and a new line item is going to be updated worth of 3,000. But what is happening, guys? In residual item, only one. In residual item, you'll be having only one open item. But in partial payment, in the sense in residual payment, we are having only one open item. Open item is like whatever the remaining balance is there, so system is going to update the open item of this remaining amount, right? In partial payment, what is happening, guys? In partial payment, if you are able to remember, in partial payment, what is happening? System is going to keep the invoice also, and whatever part payment we have received, that is also going to be kept. Both will be there as an open item. In receivable item, only one open item will be there. It means original invoice amount. This is the original invoice amount, right? This is going to be cleared and a new line item is going to be generated, right? I'll just show you here. And your bank is going to be debited worth of 2000 only, because this is what the exact payment we have received. So look at here, 2000 debit and 3000 debit. So 2000 plus 3000, how much? 5000 debit and 5000 credit. So debit and credit is equals. Now you just post it guys here, and if you come back here and click on list and refresh, so now let's have a look. 3000 is remaining, right? Original invoice amount got what is it, cleared, and the next one new line item got updated with the remaining balance. So if somebody asks what is the difference between residual payment and partial payment, or what is the difference between partial payment and residual items, right? It could be anything, both are same. So now here residual payment or residual item, both are same. So now here the difference between residual payment and partial payment is, come on Excel sheet. So look at here, in partial payment, what is happening? Whatever the partial payment amount is there, that is also going to be updated by system, and it is going to be shown as an open item. Whereas in residual payment, what is happening, guys? Original invoice is going to be cleared and system is going to create a new line item with the remaining balance, right? I'm explaining in the simplest, what to say, language, guys, so that you people will be having like perfect understanding. So the difference between partial payment and residual payment. Partial payment, I have quoted the example, right? Partial payment 10,000, original invoice 10,000, and partial payment 7,000 we have received. So system is going to keep this 10,000 also as an open item and 7,000 also as an open item. So in case of partial payment, both, in the sense invoice amount also will be shown as an open item, and even the payment, partial payment which we have received, that is also going to be shown by system as an open item, and it is going to be cleared once we receive the final payment. In case of residual item, what is happening, guys? Whatever amount we are going to receive in the form of payment, system is going to so in case of residual payment, system is going to clear the original invoice amount. Original line item is going to be cleared, and system is going to create a new line item with the remaining value, right? Out of 5,000, I have received a payment worth of 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 got posted in the form of residual payment. So what is the remaining balance, guys? 3,000. So system has created a new line item. System has created a new line item worth of remaining balance, that is 3,000. So this is what the difference between partial payment and residual payment. Partial payment means invoice, and partial payment in the sense invoice also will be as an open item, and payment is also going to be shown, is also will be there as an open item itself. In the residual item, only one line item will be there, in the sense original invoice amount is going to be cleared, and with the remaining balance, system is going to generate a new line item. This is what you have to say if somebody asks what is the difference between partial payment and residual payment. So that's all in this session, guys.